Kyries και κύριοι, καλησπέρα. Today we have a very simple and easy pasta dish which everyone will love. The ingredients are pasta penne, parmesan cheese at the end if you like, olive oil, red, green, yellow bell peppers, garlic, salt and pepper. We're going to need 2 liters of boiling water. Add some salt, olive oil, and then the pasta. Make sure you read the package instructions for how long it takes to cook al dente. On my package, it says around 14 minutes. Give a nice stir and let them cook. And while they're cooking, we're going to chop up the ingredients. We're going to begin with the garlic first. Squish them as best as you can. Just make sure you don't cut yourself. As soon as you're done, start chopping them up into little pieces. Now it's time for the bell peppers. We're not going to use the whole bell pepper, we're going to use half of each one and start cutting them into strips. As soon as we're finished cutting our bell peppers into strips, let's take a look at our pasta to see how it's doing. After around 6 to 7 minutes, I see that the pasta is coming along nicely. I cut the bell peppers into slices so I could show you. You could cook this pasta dish with the peppers in slices like this or in pieces. I prefer the pieces. So let's grab a handful of bell pepper slices and chop them up here and there. As soon as we're finished chopping up our bell peppers, let's put them back in the bowl and take a look at our pasta. It should be ready. It's been around 14 minutes. The pasta looks and feels al dente, so it's time to strain it. We're going to need a pan, medium to high heat. Then add the olive oil, 1/4 cup. It may look a lot, but it's not. When the olive oil is hot enough, add the garlic and start cooking it for 20 to 30 seconds. Now it's time to add the bell peppers. You're going to need to cook the bell peppers for around 6 to 7 minutes. Around the 5-minute mark of cooking the bell peppers, add some salt and pepper. And carry on cooking for that last minute or two, and then add the pasta. Now, let's add the pasta and give everything a really good mix. After a really good mix, it's time to serve. And if you like, you could add some parmesan cheese on top. And like always, καλή σας όρεξη.